Hi, welcome to our new tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to transform a gallery into a slider for mobile devices using the Essential Grid Gallery app. Let's get started. If you're new to creating galleries and need a step-by-step guide, check out our first tutorial. The link is in the description below. This is our basic gallery, which we've already created. Currently, it displays as a standard gallery on mobile devices. In this tutorial, we'll transform it into a slider specifically for mobile viewing. Now go to the Essential Grid Gallery dashboard. Go to the Grid Settings tab. Scroll down just a bit. Enable pagination by selecting the Enable option. Now, enable the Max Row Mobile option. Set the maximum visible row value from 3 to 1. This sets the number of images displayed per row. Click the Save Gallery button to save your changes. Now, check the live preview. You'll notice that only one image is displayed, and the slider isn't working. No worries, we just need to adjust a few settings. Back to the dashboard again. Autoplay isn't working. We need to add slider arrows from the Nav Filter and Sort tab settings to fix it. Go to the Nav Filter Sort tab. Move the left and right arrows by dragging and dropping them into the designated left and right drop zones. Click the Save Gallery button to save your changes. Check the live preview again to see the changes. The slider is now working perfectly, and the control arrows are also visible on mobile devices. Go to the grid settings again. Scroll down just a bit. Now you'll be able to enable the autoplay option. You can also adjust the autoplay timing and enable the swipe option. There are several swipe options available for you to try out. Click the Save Gallery button again to save your changes. Now, we will change the slider animation. Go to the Animation tab, where you'll find plenty of slider animations available to try out. We've selected the horizontal slide effect. Let's check it in the live preview. Horizontal sliding is working perfectly on mobile devices. That's it. With just a few steps, you've transformed your gallery into a sleek, mobile-friendly slider. This app makes it easy to customize and elevate your galleries. Explore more features and options to make your content stand out even more. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing your next video. Thank you for watching.